Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I wanted to do a plan with me without using a sticker kit. I will be using some overlays that are in the shop right now. They were introduced yesterday for Foil Friday. They're only $2, but by the time you guys see this video, hopefully I upload it within the day, so it's still Saturday and you can still take advantage of the $2 Foil Fridays. So the sticker I'll be using today is this horizontal dividers. They're in the holographic silver foiling, and then there's like a little bow in the middle, and then you get, I think, 10 in this sheet. And then I will also be using this one, which is like a vertical divider, and I'll show you guys how I'll be using this for today's plan with me, but you get 5 in the sheet. I also introduced some what is that called, bottom washi overlay that you could use pretty much in this area right here. I have the hexagon ones going right now. This is what it normally looks like without the foiling, so you get 2 bottom and then 2 for the top. I do have the crescent moon over here, and then I also have the 10 mm going across here. Okay, so for this one I'm using the nebula kit underneath it. This was a limited edition one, but I wanted to try out the galaxy overlay. As you can see, it's really pretty. I love it. It's so cute. And then I also did the same up top. Alright, so we are going to plan the week of the 6th through the 12th. Again, I am not using any date covers or bottom washi. We're just going to use these guys. So I'm just gonna start just going over the line. Look how dainty that is. I love it so much. I have been catching up with Game of Thrones. I am currently on season 3. I'm just rewatching it. I've seen the whole thing. Because Sunday's premiere is coming. No, not premiere, the 4th episode, I think. And I feel like there's information in the episodes that I'm just like, when did that happen? So I'm trying to rewatch the whole thing while I'm watching the final season as well. Including, like, I won't say any spoilers, but it's really nice. There was a lot of callbacks to previous seasons in this current season. Okay, that's looking really cute. I thought about this because sometimes there's days that like you still kind of want to decorate your planner, but you don't really want to use a sticker kit. Do you know what I mean? Like, and then I love the clear stickers because these are thinner than my normal sticker paper. So yeah. So by the end of the month, I am starting back work at my day job. I usually have early spring and winter off. They're usually in Florida, so I'm just like free to do a lot of shop stuff, and I'm really like working full-time with the shop. But then once May comes in and they're back, like, I'm worried that I'm not going to be able to do a lot of stuff again with the shop. Like, I was releasing $2 Tuesday stuff regularly since the end of February or something like that, and it's been so much fun. I don't know if I want to do something up top here, but the bottom seems fine. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Alright, let's turn you guys back out. So I put the one in the bottom. So I'm wondering if I'm gonna want to do the one up top here. Maybe I should, just to close it, but I will still be left with 2. All right, let's just do that so it's kind of uniform. My hands are shaking, I don't know why. There we go. Now it's looking so much better that I put all 8 on here. And then I still have 2 remaining. So what I'm going to do is just go through the horizontal one, no, the vertical one. And for this one, I kind of did it like a waterfall instead of like just one straight similar design. So if you want to do something with it, it's totally up to you, but I made it really flexible. Let's do the very first one. And then I'm going to zoom you guys back in again. There we go. That looks super duper cute. So I think I'm going to keep it like this and not do my dividers. I'm going to use one more and then put it down here in the bottom so these two will look uniform. I was going to do another one up here, but then there's already a bow there. That'll be like a little too much. Okay, so for this side of the page, I have decided that I'm going to put any of the uploads I'm going to do here because I do have 2 channels. I want to upload at least 3 videos this coming week for this Raspberyl channel and then at least 1 vlog, or I think also a car tour on the other main channel, so we'll see how that goes. But there will be 5 total videos I need to edit and make sure the thumbnail's done, so I'm gonna write those over here once they're uploaded on which channel and such. But I want to write down videos. There's 5, so I hope I remember everything. There we go. So that's 5 videos total that I need to do really badly because these two are kind of like branded content. I'm gonna do a next running to-do list, which is to clean and then mop the kitchen. So I think those are my top 3 I want to do this coming week when it comes to cleaning. And then down here, I'm gonna leave a space for my to-buy stuff. Okay, I think that's it. And then the last one would be next week section. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow, I feel like I was all over the place for this one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but this was like a test for me of not using a sticker kit. I really loved how it turned out, especially it all just being like pen. I really love the dainty bows. So if you guys are interested, I'll have the little YouTube exclusive coupon for you guys, and it will be applicable to any of your orders. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell down there to be notified of future uploads, and subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!